Everything changes, folks. And a long time ago, I started with, calling Beth or on the telephone if you needed help, and coming to my classes, which I will resume after COVID. And also, I just started Gmail, Beth Minardi at Gmail. And thousands of you wrote to me on Gmail saying, hey, Beth, can you help me? I have a question. A lady's coming in. She's like this. Or what am I going to do to correct that? And I would do it on Gmail. But then I realized there was something called Facebook. And I said, why don't I start a Facebook page that's only for colorists, people who come to my classes, people who purchase my products and others that I've represented, people who I've known throughout the years. So I started Conversations with Top Color Professionals by Beth Minardi, and I love you all. We have almost 3,400 members from around the world. Not only, yes, a lot from the United States and Canada and North America, but we have people from as far away as Russia and Dubai and India and Australia and the Balkan Islands, and people who all want hair color information. And I'm delighted when people even from South Africa are asking what to do. But now I need to take it a step further because I want more information at your fingertips. My more detailed conversations and my more detailed education that is not just online, but you can go to the website and say, here's my question, or there's a tutorial here on creating red hair. There's a tutorial here on formulation. I've been going into notifications and pushing discussion and posting discussions every day since I founded, and thank you for joining, those of you who have. And non-members, people on Facebook like you, can attend if you wish for a nominal fee. But my deeper classes will be available for a higher fee to those people who are not members, and to a very, very low fee for people who are. My next business as I go on in this life is to continue coloring hair in the salon 3 days a week, teaching at key events and in salons to help you personally, and also reaching out to you every single day on www.bethminardi All Access.